My name is Pauline Hassan. I'm the owner of SNA Beauty Salon and Barbershop on the west coast of Demerara. I switched to e-networks a month ago. I was having a lot of problems with my previous internet service provider. I have been without internet for almost 3 weeks. I was really skeptical about switching because I have been with this other network for years. It was affecting my business a lot. I'm a certified nail tech. I do a lot of researching. Every day you see different techniques. Like for instance, I do dipping powder. You cannot have much design with dipping powder, but recently, just yesterday, I discovered that I can do encapsulated design with dipping powder. Thankful for the internet for that.